Hello everyone, let's continue our topic, how to manipulate strings using methods. Here we have string s equal hello everyone. Let's check using the function starts with s dot starts with HEL. Is our string s starts with HEL? Yes, the result will be true. True or false are Boolean data type like integer and float. Okay, s dot ends with NE. Yes, it's true. Our string s ends with NE in 1. Also, is it end with, for example, XZ? The result will be false. Is it starts with DG, for example, the result will be false. Okay, let's say we have this string hello. Is it alphabet? Is it alphabetic? All the letters is alphabetic? Dot using the function is alpha. The result is true. But take care of this. If you used space in your string with and you check is it alpha function, the result will be false. If you use numbers also 1, 2, for example, the result will be also false. Okay, another function, is it numeric? Is numeric or not? For example, let's say my phone number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, dot is numeric, the result will be true. But if your string have space, is it numeric? The result will be false. If your string have characters like case A, the result will be false. But if we use is alphanumeric, if it is LNUM function, it means alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means that we have numbers and alphabetic characters, the result will be true. But what will be the result if it's all numeric? The result will be true. And what will be the result if it's all alphabetic? It will be true. Okay, but actually we use the function is alphanumeric, the function alphanumeric, or is alnum function to check if our string contains numbers and string characters, alphabetic characters in it. Also, if we use the spaces, the result will be false. Take care of spaces with is alphanumeric function. Okay, let's say we have the following list, which is containing these three strings: Ali, Muhammad, Ali. The first Ali is with uppercase A character, and the second one with lowercase a character. The type of L is a list. Don't worry, we will learn about lists in the next lessons, so don't worry. For now, I will just want to show you a function called join. The function called join, I want to join all the members of this list. Ali, Muhammad, Ali, I want it to be in one string. Ali, Muhammad, Ali as a full name, for example. So we use the function join. The function takes the list as its input. So we want to join all the members of this list, but we want to have a space between each one here. So I want Ali space Muhammad space Ali. So the result will be in one string, Ali space Muhammad space Ali. This is how to use the function join. This is how to use the function join. Okay, another function to be used is the function split. The function split, let's say we have a string called Z. Z equal hello world. Okay, I want to split this hello world in two words. Okay, so I will type Z dot split okay, don't worry, we will learn lists in other lessons. So we split the string Z in hello and world. Hello and world. Okay, for now we are done for this lesson. We will continue with string methods in the next lesson. So see you next lesson, and bye.